Hello City Campus community, I'm very excited for this academic year, excited to be welcoming over 100 new students and their families to our community, excited to see many new refurbishments of our school facilities and excited for Shrewsbury Bangkok as we are entering our 20th anniversary. For City Campus facilities over the summer, there has been a range of improvements, a refurbishment of the splash pool in our early years, development of a brand new media studio, an expansion of our black box drama space, additional music practice rooms for drums and ensembles, development of the Year 6 base and this beautiful mezzanine space where I am this morning. Also, other developments throughout this year include the expansion of our provision for early years 1 children to allow them the option of staying a full day at school. We've got the CIS accreditation team visiting us in November, and we're building a coffee shop for our community. Hopefully we'll have coffee ready for Christmas. Further developments of our music, PE and swim programmes and much more. This year holds extra significance. City Campus together with Riverside will mark 20th anniversary of Shrewsbury International School, Bangkok. These milestones underscore how we have flourished and grown in Thailand and Asia. We take great pride in our Shrewsbury Bangkok community, and to honour this remarkable milestone, we will have an array of special events both here at City Campus and at Riverside Campus. These celebrations will mark 2 decades of success, and our wonderful achievements to date will inspire us to embrace the future. So, welcome back to school. I very much look forward to seeing our community back and ready for the start of term on Monday, the 28th of August at 7:30 sharp. See you soon.